a little test to see if it does work. This is my little craft area. Very small space. Nothing special. And I also have a bunch of stuff over here. It's my sewing machine, some stuff to alter. That's mostly school supplies for the kids, and then craft books and stockpile stuff. This is where I try to be creative. I'm not sure if I'm that great at it. Buy most of my stuff from Goodwill and yard sales, recycle places. So there it is. And hello, YouTube. Thanks for watching.